Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so there is a deal on, you can save 200 bucks on Home Depot now. This is kind of related to the international tool video that I did. It is a little more expensive to do it this way on Home Depot, but is, say as an example, for the fan, you put that in, you get it for 55 bucks, you save 37%. If you want the Milwaukee switch tanks, they're $2.99 a piece. You put them in, and it comes up to 30% off. They're normally $2.99. You get it for $421.34. So doing it this way, you actually get one extra tool, but instead of it being $407, it's $477. So it's a little bit different of a deal. You do save $210 instead of the $200 in essence from International Tool. So if you are looking for Milwaukee switch tanks, might be a way to go if you want two complete switch tanks. And in all honesty, to me it seems like a better deal because you're getting a third item. You can also do it with other things. It's not just the fan. I wanted two Milwaukee switch tanks just to see what they would look up on here. International Tool told me that I'm looking at 4 to 5 weeks for my item. Other thing is I'm not even sure if I'm going to get that order because of the fact that International Tool's website is completely down. It's been down for almost a week and a half now. It just says server error 500. You can't physically get to their website. Their Davie, Florida store is now closed, permanently closed. So I'm not even sure if they're still around, to be honest. So I got charged for my order. I'm going to give it a couple weeks, and if a couple more weeks, maybe 3 weeks in or something, I'll see if I can find out how to get a hold of them. Their Facebook and Instagram is still up, but they don't respond on Facebook or Instagram, and their phone number just goes straight to voicemail, so it might be looking like I'm not going to get that order. So this might be another way for me to go, is I don't have this Milwaukee fan. I don't necessarily need the fan, but, you know, we're talking $70 more than my original order, and you get a fan. They do have it where you can also do it with other items, and I'll show you real quick. So these are the things on the list. There's 15 items. The string trimmer quick lock kit, or bare tool. Well, that is a kit with a battery. The blower by itself, the blower with a battery and a charger, chainsaw by itself, bare tool quick lock for the string trimmer, the hedge trimmer, this random drill and impact driver. It shouldn't be on this list, to be honest. That's not outdoor power equipment. The hedge trimmer attachment, the switch tank, the fan, the pole saw attachment, and the hedge trimmer attachment. This older Rover light I have, this radio, job site radio you can physically find at Home Depot right now, and then the pole saw quick lock with battery kit is the other option. There's not a lot. I just figured I'd see what it would be with these two switch tanks and that guy, just as an example. But you could put the chainsaw in if you wanted to, as an example. View cart. If you put the chainsaw in, you end up paying a little more for the fan. Total is $776. So if you remove the fan as an example, 16-inch chainsaw is $232. But the switch tanks go up a little bit. They go up, instead of saving 30%, you're saving 22 on those. So the fan and the 2 switch tanks is a better deal, and the Pro Extra savings, you're literally getting only 200 instead of 210 off. So my opinion, the fan was a better deal. You can if you do 1 switch tank and 1 chainsaw, save 17% on both. You only get $100 off, so you can't really do that deal, to be honest. You'd have to add another item. Add that guy, $159. And then hedge trimmer. View cart. You do reach the 200, but it's 726 out the door. And I already have the blower, so I wouldn't necessarily do that. I don't have the chainsaw, and you know, we'll find out if I have 2 switch tanks. If I don't, it's 200 right there, but it's 557. So it's about 50 bucks over the So just figured I'd show you guys. If you guys are interested in getting 2 switch tanks, that might be something that you guys might want to do. 2 switch tanks and a fan. It's not a bad deal at all. You know, you guys can experiment and play with this if you guys like. View cart. There you go. You could do that. 1 switch tank, 1 chainsaw, 16-inch chainsaw, and the fan. You get 37% off on the fan. You get 30% off on the chainsaw, 16-inch chainsaw, and you get 30% off the switch tank. Comes out to $687. You get $210 off. It ends up being $477. That's a pretty killer deal right there. And to be honest with you guys, so just figured I'd show you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will definitely drop the link for the Home Depot page where you can find these deals in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!